Hi everyone, so it's Vlogmas day 2. I've had a very busy morning already because I've got people coming over for dinner tonight. So I have prepared my pork joint, I've cut my potatoes, I've made my gravy, and now I've just done a workout before I'm about to go and pick my son up he's doing a maths masterclass at university. He's only 12, but he's a very, very clever boy. So I'm off to pick him up in a moment, and then I've got a few errands to run before later on getting glammed up in my socialite soiree outfit again to get some pictures, and having a lovely dinner party with Nikki and her husband and some other lovely friends. I'll catch you later. Hi guys, so I just thought I'd pop on and tell you what I've got planned for dinner tonight. I haven't sorted the starters yet. I'm going to be doing a choice of duck liver pate, or smoked salmon mousse. And for main course, I am using one of my favourite books this time of year. This is Nigella Christmas book, and this is one of her alternatives to Christmas dinner, but it feeds lots of people. So let me show you. This is a rolled loin of pork, and it's been rolled up and trussed up with the baker's twine, or butcher's baker's twine, that's left over from the Star Garland class that we taught at the school last week, and it's been stuffed with a stuffing made from bacon, onions, garlic, cranberries, and lots of Christmassy spices. And I'm serving that with some Italian roast potatoes. So these are ready to go in the oven later. They're just red, waxy potatoes, and I have covered them in lots of oil. There's whole cloves of garlic in there, thyme, and then I just need to go and get some fresh rosemary from Nikki's garden. So I'll run over and do that in a bit. And then, so I just thought I'd keep up the Italian theme, and so I'm just going to do green beans with lemon zest and walnuts and olive oil. And then for dessert, Nikki is making an awesome cheesecake, and she made me one for my birthday a couple of years ago, and it was just the best cheesecake I've ever eaten, so I cannot wait for that. I've been on a diet the last couple of weeks, just trying to lose a few pounds before Christmas, before putting it all back on. But that cheesecake is definitely worth breaking the diet for, absolutely no question.
It's got pecan and chocolate digestive base, and then it's cream cheese with cream and caramel and white chocolate in the filling. And then there's cream and caramel shards to go on the top. So it's just ready to go in the oven. It's being cooked in a bain-marie, which is a really nice slow way of cooking something like a cheesecake. So what you do is you wrap the tin in foil to stop any water getting in, put it in a big roasting dish, and then it's got freshly boiled water all around the outside. And then all finished. Look, it's got a little bit of a wobble. I'm just going to let it cool, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge, and I've got some caramel shards to go in it later.
Hi there. So I'm just starting to get ready. I look a little bit more human now. But I've bought myself some new curling tongs because I wanted to do something with my hair as it's getting a bit longer, and I just wanted to show you. I've got these nice sort of wavy curls. I'll show you which ones they are. So it's the Ultra Fast Styling from Babyliss, and they were quite cheap. I think they were about £18 or something like that from Amazon. And I just thought, as it's getting longer, it might be something to add a little bit of texture and a bit of volume into my hair. So I'm going to go and have a little play, and I will show you the finished results. So here we are, all finished. It took me about half an hour, and it's given me these sort of big, wavy, kind of beachy curls, which is what I was looking for. Nothing too sort of set in stone. We will just see my hair is very thick. It took me about half an hour to do it, but it's very thick. So we'll just see how long it actually lasts. I've got a couple of hours before I actually go out, but I wanted to have a try in case it was a disaster and I had to do it all over again. But I'll put some spray in it, some texture spray, and see how it is in a couple of hours. I might have to redo it. That's the problem I've had with these things in the past, is that they last for about an hour and then they just drop out of my hair because it's so thick. But it feels really nice. It'd be interesting to see what day 2 was like as well. And to, you know, see whether it goes all frizzy or if it looks nice when you brush it. I don't like not brushing my hair every day, so I'd have to brush it and see what it looked like. So maybe tomorrow I'll show you the aftermath. Depends how bad mine is.
Day two of our advent calendar from Stitches Brew, and it's my turn because Nikki got the odds because she's odd.
But you've
I
got
get
a
the
long
evens
one.
because I'm even more awesome than you.
Even more odd than me.
There was
So
always,
number
there
two.
was
Let's
always
see what's
this
inside.
view of
What's
whether
in
he actually...
there? It's sparkly!
There's some sparkly braids.
Oh, that's nice. Go and show the camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe
Sparkly
let's
trim.
focus on the ones
Oh,
that's
very
in.
nice.
Yeah, lovely. Next time I need to make a military jacket, I'm sorted.
Oh yeah, Adman, here we come.
Something else.
That'll do. Cheers!
There is
Red and white,
everybody. Say hello to YouTube, everybody.
Hello YouTube! Hello vlog!
Yeah, I remember that one.
Yeah, well, that's the...
So just so you know what you're eating, it is pork loin stuffed with bacon, cranberries, garlic, onions,
Looks amazing.
spices, wrapped in bacon, and the sauce is a ruby gravy, so it's cranberry, chicken stock, mustard.
Yeah, everyone!
Ready?
Cheers!
Cheers! Merry